Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're going to be diving into the world of system emails in ClickFunnels 2.0. Now, system emails are going to be those automated emails that are sent out whenever a specific criteria is met, such as making a purchase in a platform, being added to a course, being added to a community, being added as an affiliate. There's so many different layers or different ones that you can go in and adjust. I'm just going to show you where you can go in and actually find those and proceed with actually editing those on your own side. So in order to find those inside of your workspace, all you need to do is click on workspace settings in the left-hand navigation. And from here, just hover down until you see the option for system emails. Right on this page right here, you'll be able to select from the different categories that you're looking for. Right. So if you're looking for maybe orders specifically, and you want to adjust perhaps like a order confirmation email. That's a very common one that most people should go in and adjust just to make sure branding is corrected and adjusted for your own particular business. All you have to do is click on the little pencil icon. From there, you can go in and hit customize up here at the top, right? And after that, you can go in and piece things together on the next page. There we go. Give it a second to load. You can make any adjustments you want to on the page right here, such as like a change of logo or change of the headline here. After that, just publish and exit. And once you do so, it'll bring you back to this page right here. And then just toggle on this guy right here. Basically, all you're saying is, hey, I want to use this custom template versus the default view that doesn't have any adjustments made yet. So make sure that's on. From there, you can go and adjust like subject lines, add merge tags if you want to the subject line, and then go over here and save. Once you do so, the custom email that you just created for this particular system email is going to be set up and ready to go. And that's all you need to do. Now, the same process is going to apply for all the other ones as well. Again, just go to the correct category. From there, select the actual email you want to, there's nothing for opt-in, but select the actual email you want to adjust, such as maybe like module enrollment. Customize, publish inside of the editor. From there, make sure that there's a little toggle switch right here is turned on, and then go and adjust the subject line if you want to, and save. That's it. That's all you have to do. Now, as of right now, there's not a way to turn off any system emails. So by default, all these will be set up, and if any of the specific criteria is met to trigger one of them to be sent out, there's nothing you can really do about it besides going in and customize it to the best of your ability to, make sure branding's on par and all that good stuff. So that is it for system emails, or at least an overview of system emails. If you have any questions, let us know down below. Otherwise, have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.